Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Infinite Yield Script Tutorial. Infinite Yield is a popular admin script for Roblox that provides a variety of features for managing games, such as teleportation, item spawning, and server commands. It's often found on platforms like Pastebin, where users can copy the script and use it in their Roblox games. This tutorial aims to guide you through understanding Infinite Yield and how to incorporate it into your Roblox experience. Important note: using scripts like Infinite Yield can violate Roblox's terms of service. This can lead to account bans or other penalties. Always use caution and consider the ethical implications of exploiting games. Getting started. 1. Accessing the script. You can find the Infinite Yield script on sites like Pastebin, https://pastebin.com. Simply search for Infinite Yield and copy the code provided. 2. Using Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio and create or load a game where you want to use the script. Ensure you have permissions to run scripts in the game. 3. Injecting the script. You'll need a Roblox exploit, like SynapseX, KRNL, etc., to run the script. These exploits allow you to execute Lua scripts in the Roblox environment. Open the exploit and paste the Infinite Yield script into the code area of the exploit. Example code. Here's a simplified version of what an Infinite Yield script might look like. This is purely for educational purposes and should not be used in actual games without permission. Features of Infinite Yield. Command Console allows users to enter commands directly into the game. Teleportation, teleport to players or locations easily. Item commands, spawn various items or tools in the game. Admin commands, execute commands that can affect the game environment, like changing weather or time. Common commands. Once you have the Infinite Yield script running, you can use a variety of commands. Here are a few common ones. Bring player, brings a specified player to your location. Kick player, kicks a specified player from the game. TP player, teleports you to the specified player's location. Give item, gives a specified item to yourself or another player. Conclusion. Infinite Yield is a powerful tool for Roblox players who wish to have more control over their gaming experience. However, it's essential to use it responsibly and ethically. Always respect the rules of the game and the community, and refrain from using exploits in games where it could harm the experience of other players. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Using scripts like Infinite Yield can violate Roblox's terms of service. Always consider the consequences of using such scripts and the impact they may have on the community.